Hello, my name is Nikhil and my partner name is Tanmay. We are developed the project Square Food Gardening, which is Arduino based.
Square foot gardening used for monitoring foreign vegetables. Foreign vegetables required constant temperature, humidity, and moisture. It is low cost and effective gardening. In this project, we are managing humidity, temperature, and moisture of soil. This is DHT11 sensor to monitoring temperature and humidity. This is moisture sensor to use for measure soil moisture.
This is exhaust fan, which is used when the temperature and humidity level is high. This is LED, which is demonstrating the use of UV light. When temperature is goes down, then this light is glow and to maintain the temperature. This is water pump, which is used for pumping water. This is Arduino Nano and it is supported by the Hackman board relay, and this is 12-volt battery. These are the value which is sensed by the sensors. This is humidity, this is temperature value, and this is moisture value. Now the humidity is 42, this is normal, temperature is 34, this is normal, and the moisture is 90 and this is 90, and giving the variations in this. Now we showing the demonstration of water pump. When the moisture level is goes down, the pump is automatically started, and when normal, the pump is automatically stopped. This is pump is started automatically and goes off when the moisture level is get normal. This is fan is also on. The temperature is get high now. When the moisture level is get normal, the pump is automatically off, but the exhaust fan is still on because of the temperature is get high. Temperature goes normal, that time the exhaust fan get automatically off. This is all demonstration of our project, and thank you. This is VCC and ground, which is connected to the relay, and these three digital pins which is connected to int1, int2 and int3 on relay. And this is the DHT11 module pin, which is 2 are VCC and ground, one is digital pin which is connected to the pin number 2, and this is an moisture sensor which gives analog signal. So the VCC and ground connected here, and analog pin is connected to A7 pin. Stop. This is battery VCC which is passes to the relay, and the ground is connected to all components negative, and this is the motor is connected via the relay. This cable is a positive which is goes here and connected to here. So when the trigger is when Arduino get triggered the relay, then the motor is started. Here the code of a project. This is the including the library DHT which is used for a DHT11 sensor. Here we initialize DHT pin has 2, and it's again defined as a DHT type to DHT11. Here we initialize relay 1, relay 2, relay 3 to 3, 5, 6 and int value. This is a pin mode we are giving as a output for relay 1, relay 2 and relay 3. Here we Here we collecting the data of humidity, temperature here, and this is the value of moisture we are collecting. This will be commented, but if we uncommented it, it works for a sensor working properly or not. If sensor not give value, then it return program to start. Here is two condition for a motor control of water. If the value of a moisture sensor is greater than 800, then the it passes low and the motor is started, and the water level moisture level is gives the value is 600, the water motor is get off. Here this code for controlling exhaust fan. If the heat or a humidity is greater than means humidity is greater than 16 or temperature is greater than 50, then or if we if any condition is true, then the fan is on, and when both the conditions are true, then the fan is off. This is code for UV light. If the temperature goes down below 5, the UV light is on, and temperature is greater than 10, then the UV light is off. Now we are showing all code slowly.